I'm Jen, and welcome to another chapter in this course. Today I want to give you a little overview about kettlebells. Kettlebells first originated in Russia in the 1700s and were used for crop weighing. They are a one-piece cast iron or steel weight with a flat base shaped like a teapot without a spout. Some say they also resemble a cannonball with a handle. The main use for kettlebells are to perform power movements where an athlete lifts, accelerates, and then releases the weight. It's a method used to improve explosiveness. One of the main differences between kettlebells and traditional weights is the majority of the weight is not held directly in your hand. It extends beyond your hand. Holding onto the handle of a kettlebell during movement provides an unstable force, which is key to the effectiveness of kettlebell exercises. Kettlebells are a great way to develop cardiovascular and muscular endurance, muscular strength, and flexibility. The legs, back, shoulders are the heavy hitters when using kettlebells. Forearm and grip strength are also improved. Some movements, such as the swing and snatch that are part of this program, engage the entire body. Kettlebell exercises are not isolation exercises. They are complex body movements working several muscle groups at the same time. Typically, when performing a kettlebell routine, repetitions are high, movements are quick and explosive, with short rest time between sets. This form of training is called circuit training or high-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT. In another chapter, I will explain this type of training and its benefits. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in another chapter.